You've seen the Titanic, where the captain supposedly locked himself in the wheelhouse and went down with the ship. But did that really happen? No one knows for sure since his body was never recovered. Legally and morally, a captain isn't required to go down with the ship. It's a myth. The true obligation is to ensure everyone's safety and be the last to leave. The infamous case of the Costa Concordia? The captain faced legal trouble not for the accident, but for abandoning the ship without ensuring passenger safety. This isn't unique. Another incident off South Africa saw the captain and crew abandon ship, leaving entertainers on the ship to manage the evacuation. The captain must be the last off, but that doesn't mean sinking with the ship. It's about ensuring everyone else is safe first. Why does this idea exist? It was due to real stories of Navy captains who went down with their ships. These captains, commanding submarines or warships, fought bravely in battle. When their ships were damaged, they instructed their crews to evacuate, and as captains, they went down with the ship. Do you know what is captain's primary responsibility during an oil spill? Share your thoughts in the comments, and for more maritime insights, follow Marine Insight.